Hey guys, welcome to the demo on how to use M3dida Portals. This app will turn your AutoCAD 2D elements into Revit 3D elements, and then it will also copy over your details. Alrighty, let me show you how it works. Okay, so firstly, I have a couple of drawings here. So I got a plan here. I have an upper level plan here. And then, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 details already, and we're going to bring them into Revit really fast, okay? And I have Revit open, and I got one, level 2, level 3, and then I have a couple drafting views ready to go, okay? As you can see, my project is totally empty. And here's 3D view, nothing's there. And back to plan. Alrighty. Okay, when you bring in plans, you have to be on the correct level that you wanted to bring it into. So if you want to bring in level 1, you got to be on level 1, level 2, 3, etc. Alrighty. Okay, let's go over to CAD. And so first you're going to hit M3dida Portals, type that in, and you're going to have this pop up. Okay, if you don't have an account created, don't worry. It's going to create one automatically whenever you start your first entry. Alrighty. So we got two options here. So one is add plan entry, add detail entry, and then we have these for update the name if you want. You can delete entries too, and then reload and cancel. Okay, you'll use reload for when you have AutoCAD and the AutoCAD portals and Revit portal open, and then if you create one in AutoCAD, just hit reload on Revit, then your entries will refresh. And same thing vice versa. If you delete one in Revit and you want to refresh your list in AutoCAD, then just go ahead and reload. All right. Okay. Let's get started. So add plan entry, and so here's your guidelines. So for walls, 2 parallel lines. Okay, not 3, not 4, not 6, but 2. All right. And can't be lines or polylines. Okay. And lines have to be on the x-axis or y-axis. What that means is lines cannot be diagonal. Okay. We're not set up for that yet. I'm gonna look at making that a upgrade soon. Okay. And then this only works on imperial, so that means feet or inches. This does not work on millimeters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, anything like that. Okay, it's solely feet or inches, and I'm gonna look at integrating the metric system soon. Okay, for doors, so far only single swing doors work right now. All right, I'm gonna work at getting double doors and all the other kind of doors later on. And then for the doors, right, you do need the arc swing of the door. Okay, that part is very important. And then also doors need to be a block. Okay, can't just be free lines running around. Let me show you how it works. So hit continue, and we're going to select our layers that we're looking for. So my walls are on the A wall, and my doors are on a door. You're going to hit select AutoCAD lines to send to portal. Okay, and we're going to select this guy, and I'm going to say level 1, and then him, and then we're going to go to level 2. Oops. Plan entry, guidelines again, and same thing, walls and doors. Okay. And say level 2. Cool. All right. And then now we're going to go to, so if you see these lines pop up, don't worry about that. They just help with letting me know what was entered into the entry and what was not. Okay, so if you don't want these lines, don't worry. You're gonna hit them, and you just go ahead and hit undo, and they go back. Okay, and same thing over here on this one. Control C, great. All right, and then now we go to our details. Okay, so for details, my app will get just about everything except for obviously it's not going to get these because there's a whole bunch of little tiny polylines. Okay, those are pretty hard to get. But it can, or sorry, so it won't get the installation, and it won't get, it has trouble getting some dimensions and hatches if they are not associated. Okay, so if you see the hatch, and then you see up here associative, non-associative. Okay, so if it's not inside of something, if it's just kind of free running, kind of has a little trouble getting that, but it'll get you, the app will get you about 90% of your detail. Okay, let me show you. So do portals, and this one we're gonna hit add detail entry. Okay, we got inches in there. Cool. And we're going to select the whole thing. And we're going to call this, what are we now? We're in typical wall roof connection. Okay. And over here, we're going to do the same thing over here for this guy. And this is a typical floor wall connection. Okay. And then over here, we do the same thing. And this guy's foundation detail. So detail entry and foundation detail. Cool. All right. Great. Now that we have those in there, we can go to Revit. All right. And so level 1, right? We're on level 1. Cool. And you can find the, or I guess I'll show you. You can find the add-ins right here. You can see M3dida Portals. These are our other tools also. You can check them out on the Autodesk App Store. Okay. So you hit M3dida Portals. And first, you're going to find level 1. Bring them in. And this is going to ask you how tall you want. So we're going to say we want our walls at 9 feet high. Okay. And it'll bring those in. Okay. We got doors and walls. Perfect. And then level 2. And we're going to bring in level 2. Great. And 9 feet high again. Great. Cool. And then go to level 3. We're going to bring in level 2 also on that one. And 9 feet high. Cool. Done. Great. And then go to our drafting views. And portals again. And we're going to bring in the foundation detail. And we're going to hit zoom to elements. And there we have it. Great. So all of our lines came in. Okay. And then drafting 2, same thing. The portals, wall floor connection, import. Great. He's there. Cool. You can see the hatches came in too. All right. Perfect. And of course, this is all just for placeholders, right? So that you can go back and then enter or switch the hatches to whatever you want, or the wall types to whatever you want. Alrighty. And then lastly over here, wall roof connection. Bring them in. Zoom to elements, and there you have it. All right, guys. So now we have the levels from our plan, right? So walls and doors, and then we also have the details from our Revit project. Alrighty. Also, if you would like your company's blocks turned into Revit 3D elements, please feel free to contact me. You can reach me at support@M3dida.com. I'll have an email link in the description, and I would love to work with you on that. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. That's it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.